didn't plan on showing you this, but here it is. I added a displacement map to that cloth. But first, let's have a look at the object itself. So what you do here is that you simply create a UV map for this area right here. So that's where that cloth will fall down, and use that displacement. So the front has a normal map. You could also use a bump map. This bump normal will be part of LightWave 2025, by the way, because the bump nodes will be included. Awesome, by the way. With the displacement, let's have a look at the displacement. So often you use enable bump because you have a displacement hooked into a displacement here, and then you just use enable bump, which is cool. The problem with that is that because we're using ClothFX and MDD, that will not work. So you'll have to use the old-fashioned normal displacement, which is straightforward, just some value there, and you use the UV texture, and it's all good. So yeah, you might get a bit surprised when you try to tweak these things and these things right here, and you find that the displacement doesn't actually work. You'll have to use the old-fashioned normal displacement. I'm not sure if it still works like that in LightWave 2025. But right, so that's how you can do it. And of course, the more you tweak that kind of stuff, the better it will look. As you can see, I only added a bump and a displacement to the front right here, not on the sides, but of course you can do that to the sides also. Just create a UV map for the side, do the same thing. But I thought it was just worth a go, worth a test. If you struggle a lot with this, try to blur it out. That way it will just look better. Reload. And that's probably more like it. So yeah, that's better. I think that's it for this preview. It's cool, but it does take a touch time to do that. Anyways, there we go.